In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your password in Indeed. Whether you're updating your login details for security reasons or just want something easier to remember, we'll go step by step so you can follow along confidently, even if you're not very tech savvy. Let's start with signing in to your Indeed account. Open your browser and go to the Indeed website. On the homepage, look for the option to sign in, usually at the top right corner. Click that, and you'll see a place to enter the email address associated with your account and your current password. Type those in carefully, then click the sign in button. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part and move on to your settings. Once you're signed in, the next thing you need to do is open your account settings. You'll typically find this by clicking on your profile icon or your name near the top right of the page. When you click there, a small menu should appear. Look for something labeled Account Settings or simply Settings and click on that. This will take you to the main area where you can manage different parts of your account. Inside your account settings, you'll see several options related to your profile and security. Here, you want to look for the section labeled Password. It may be under a heading like Login and Security or something similar, but there will be a clear option that mentions password. Go ahead and select that. Now you're on the page where you can change your password. You'll usually be asked to confirm your current password first, just to make sure it's really you making the change. After that, you'll see fields to enter your new password, and often a second field to retype it and confirm there are no typing mistakes. When choosing a new password, try to make it something strong and unique. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually a good idea, and avoid things that are easy to guess, like simple sequences or very common words. Carefully type your new password in the first box, then type the exact same password in the confirmation box. Take a second to double check for typos, because even one wrong character will cause the confirmation to fail. Once you're sure everything is correct, look for the button to save or update your password and click it. If everything looks good, Indeed will confirm that your password has been changed successfully. There is one important note to keep in mind. If you originally signed up for Indeed using a Gmail account and you continue to use the sign in with Google option, you might not have a separate Indeed password at all. In that case, your login is connected directly to your Google account and sign-ins happen automatically through Google. If you want to change that password, you would need to update it in your Google account settings, not on Indeed. After changing it in Google, your new password will apply the next time you use the Google sign-in on Indeed, and that's all it takes. You've signed in, gone to your account settings, selected the password option, entered a new secure password, and saved your changes.